In today's video, I'm going to teach you the evolution of Miro as a classic startup story. It transitioned from a basic virtual shared space for remote teams into a comprehensive visual workspace that manages the entire lifecycle of innovation, from ideation to project execution. To make sense of that journey, we'll walk through 3 clear phases and highlight what changed, why it mattered, and how you can make the most of those capabilities today. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. We begin in 2011, when the product launched under its original name, Real-Time Board. Think of it as a straightforward digital whiteboard. You could draw, drop sticky notes, add basic shapes and text, and see teammates collaborate in real time. That simplicity was the point. Small, agile teams and educators finally had a lightweight canvas that worked wherever they were. The trade-off was intentional minimalism, few integrations and limited tooling. If you use a board this way, keep things uncluttered. A clean canvas with clear colors and labels goes a long way when the goal is fast brainstorming. Fast forward to early 2019 in a pivotal rebrand to Miro. This wasn't just a new logo, it was a strategic expansion. Frames arrived, letting you organize the infinite canvas into tidy sections and even present ideas in sequence. At the same time, integrations with tools like Jira, Asana, Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom turned the board into a workflow hub instead of a standalone space. Then came 2020. As work went remote, Miro's collaboration strengths became mission-critical almost overnight. Pro tip: use frames as chapters for meetings or workshops, and connect your board to the tools your team already lives in to cut context switching. From 2021 onward, Miro grew into a true power tool. Advanced diagramming made professional flowcharts, mind maps, and wireframes possible, complete with libraries for systems like AWS and Azure. Enterprise-grade controls followed, including single sign-on, robust admin settings, protected lock for security, and audit logs for compliance. The arrival of Miro Assist brought AI into everyday workflows, clustering sticky notes, generating diagrams from text, and summarizing content to accelerate decisions. TalkTrack enabled asynchronous walkthroughs so global teams could share updates without scheduling meetings. As you adopt these features, pair AI outputs with human review, lock critical elements, and keep naming conventions consistent to maintain clarity. Taken together, Miro's evolution shows a deliberate shift from simple communication surface to enterprise-ready platform for visual work, planning, and execution, meeting teams where they are, and scaling as they grow. Whether you're brainstorming with a small group or rolling out organization-wide processes, understanding these phases helps you choose the right feature set, keep boards organized, and get faster outcomes without sacrificing governance or clarity. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.